Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. Welcome to Morning Thoughts this morning, everybody. It's your host with the most. So I'm about to go drop this big head boy to school. And hey, it's Friday. It's a 3-day weekend. Well, in the US anyways. Because we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off. So for all the people who are looking forward to this, and you do have it off and you don't have to work, enjoy. Break out the barbecue. I know Brooklyn, New York is going to be lit this weekend because it should be Memorial Day weekend. Not Memorial Day, but Labor Day weekend, sorry. And they should have the West Indian Carnival up and down Eastern Parkway and all kinds of stuff all over Brooklyn. So, for my New York family, y'all enjoy yourself, man. Be safe. Every year somebody gets slapped with. Be safe. There's so much going on right now I haven't spoken about. I just want everybody... Stay tuned to the channel. I recorded 3 videos for you last night. Plus I had 2 more sitting back. So that's 5 videos. And I'm about to drop 2 of them this morning. As soon as I get back from dropping him to school, I'm going to drop 2 videos on the channel this morning. One, and then wait an hour and drop another one. Look. For those of us who are Jamaicans and we have Jamaicans... our Jamaican family members, or we have family members in Jamaica, it's a real serious time right now for us. It's not all giggles. It's not all fun and laughter, okay? It's not all fun and laughter. Things are serious right now for us. And a lot of people might be trying to downplay what's going on, but the next video you see on SouFLoTV is going to address stuff in depth. In depth. So y'all understand what's going on. It's crazy. I'm not going to talk about it too much on this video. This is my morning thoughts video just to say good morning. Enjoy your day at work. For those of you just coming home from work, go get you some rest. Chill out, kick your feet up, get you something good to eat. Treat yourself good. And flip on SouFLoTV on the big screen and catch up on the videos. Right? For those of you who's just coming from one job going to another one, I salute you. I know how that goes. Right? Big up on yourself, man. Take care of yourself. It's the freaking weekend, baby. It's the freaking weekend, baby. And this car almost ran into my back. It's serious out here. I'm gonna get off this phone. The phone keeps going dark, then light, then dark, then light. Let me get off this phone so I can drive safe. I'll see y'all later, man. Alright, big up on yourself. Y'all say bye, Red?
Bye.